Hey everyone, today we're going to be testing out a bead spinner that got sent to us
by Tilhumt.
So let's open it and see what we got. So right off the bat, we can see the bead spinner. It is electric, so it does come with a cord. We have a menu. It comes with string, a little holder.
And I love both of the colors.
It's seriously so pretty. That blue color is my absolute fave.
It's so cute.
We got the needles, and then since it is electric, you do have to find something to plug into the wall.
And now we're putting in the beads.
Let's start making something. I did a couple scoops of the beads. We're going to pull out one of the hooks, and then we're going to set it out. It's a little tricky at first, but it's basically just just a zigzag. You kind of set it up, weave it in and out of the hook, and then you just kind of push the needle into the bead spinner so it can catch the beads. And it might take a second to figure out where the best place to angle it is,
but after that it's pretty good.
And it takes about 1 to 3 minutes depending on how many beads you put in. And then you have something that looks like this. Next we're going to put the string through, and then I'm going to hold one side so the beads won't fall off the string, and then push it with my other hand.
And then we're gonna measure it, and we still have like an inch left to go.
So we make all our bracelets 6.5 inches, and it looks like it filled up 5 inches. So instead of putting it on the stand again, I'm just gonna hurry and hold it and let those beads fill up. We're gonna measure it again, and it looks like it's actually exact. Next, we're gonna go ahead and tie it. And if you guys need to know how to tie bracelets, I have a bunch of videos on that. We're gonna cut it and then test it, and it's actually pretty good.
It's so cute.
The hands-free part was super great, but it's actually pretty easy.
Bye-bye.